Well, hello and welcome to our video. My name is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection attorney in the state of Alabama. And what we'll talk about today is who is Portfolio Recovery and why are they suing you? So Portfolio Recovery is a debt buyer. That means they are a debt collector. And they claim to buy bad debt, old debt, usually credit card debt. And it's really important to notice that they claim to buy the debt. We don't just assume that they bought the debt. We don't take them at their word that they bought the debt. I've handled, I can't tell you how many cases against Portfolio Recovery. I have never seen them be able to prove that they own the debt. Now they always say they own the debt. And it's apparently just an amazing coincidence. In all of our cases, they never have been able to prove the debt. So the point is, you don't want to just take that at face value. You're going to get a lawsuit that says we own the debt. Well, they have to prove that. So Portfolio Recovery, they file typically about 100 cases a week in Alabama. So it's a staggering number of lawsuits. And typically they use a law firm called the Couch Law Firm. They're based out of New Orleans. I think they have an office maybe in Texas, Mississippi, and also in Birmingham. And so this is what they do. They're very familiar with Portfolio Recovery. These are good lawyers, so you need to treat this very, very seriously. So what is Portfolio doing, suing you? Well, they want to have that lawsuit delivered to you or served on you, and that starts your clock running to answer. If you do not answer within 14 days of being served, if you were sued in small claims or district court, then you lose. It's called a default judgment. And circuit court, which is our highest court, you have 30 days to answer. You don't answer, default judgment. Well, what does a default judgment mean? Well, it means that they have a judgment against you, and they can take that judgment and they can garnish your wages, 25%, wipe out your bank account. It's called garnishing your bank account. They can even seize and sell your property. So very bad things happen if they get a default judgment. So if you forget everything else in this video, remember this: answer your lawsuit within the time period. Now, can you really fight this? Absolutely. You have 5 options when you're sued by Portfolio Recovery. We have all sorts of videos, including a very lengthy video and transcript that go over these options. That should be linked either in this video or below in the text. Here's your options. Number 1, file bankruptcy. Very, very rare that that's appropriate, but it is an option. You can fight the lawsuit on your own. That's doable. You have to put time and effort and work into it, but you don't have to spend any money on a lawyer. So that's an option. Settle it on your own. That's usually not a very good option. Portfolio typically wants about 75 cents on the dollar in a lump sum, or if you pay it over time, they want the whole thing paid off. And it's going to stay on your credit report, and there may be tax consequences. Just usually not a very good option. So bankruptcy, fight it on your own, settle it on your own, hire a lawyer to fight it. The objective is to win. Hire a lawyer to settle it. So more than happy to talk with you on the phone. Look at those options. I'll tell you, we have a very simple approach we take with Portfolio Recovery, really a non-negotiable settlement that we do with them. I'm very happy to chat with you about that. And I think we have the way that we do this, because we've been doing this for so many years, it's a very fair way, and it'll also give you a lot of comfort that you are not wasting your money hiring us as your lawyer. Now, I don't know if we can represent you. We have to talk. We have to see if it makes sense, but I'm happy to chat with you. It's 205-879-2447, 205-879-2447, or you can reach us through our website, alabamaconsumer.com. And when you call, just ask for Carolyn. She'll take down your information, look up the lawsuit, look up when at least the court says you've been served, and then she'll set us up a phone call. There's no charge for that. And I'll just say this, a lot of times when I chat with people, I'm saying, don't hire me. I don't want your money. You need to handle this on your own. And then come talk to me after that. Other people will say, look, you really need to hire us. Or it's kind of 50-50. It's whatever you want. Some people say, I would rather save my money and take a chance, take a risk, and put the work in. Hey, no problem. Other people say, I just don't want to think about it. I want to hire a lawyer. Either way can be fine. We'll help you figure out in your unique situation what's the best option for you, and then it's up to you, whatever you decide. So give us a call, 205-879-2447 or alabamaconsumer.com. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll talk with you tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye.